In our life we have memorized a lot of English words, but at the time of speaking we forget all those words. There is a reason behind it. The reason is we don't practice English every day for 10 minutes. So I will suggest you to speak English at least 10 minutes every day. That can help you to improve your English fluency, and at the same time you can make conversation or you can communicate with your friends in English. You can speak English with them in English, but sometimes we face the problem, that is we don't have enough friends or partners with whom we can speak English. So to overcome this problem, you can make videos, you can speak in front of camera or a mirror, or sometimes you can ask the questions yourself. You can ask questions to you and you can reply the questions, you can answer the questions, and I think by this way you can overcome your weakness of English, you can improve your English fluency.